Welcome to the DOMO TV Stand Assembly Manual. In Step 1, position Part 1, position accessory I, and secure with accessory B. In Step 2, position parts 2 and 4, and fit accessory A. Secure accessory C in the indicated locations. With the 3 pieces in place, fit the A accessories and then secure the D accessories in the indicated locations. Fit the A accessories into part 5. Fit the parts and secure them with accessory C. Then, secure them with the F accessories. Finally, attach accessory J in the indicated location. In Step 3, position pieces 7 and fit the A accessories in the indicated locations. Position part 5 and secure it using accessories D and J. Attach all F accessories to the indicated locations. In Step 4, fit the H accessories into pieces 8 and place them in the indicated location. In Step 5, position pieces 9, 10, 11, and K in the indicated locations. Secure them with accessories E. Finally, secure accessories E and G.